Hello guys, today we're gonna make this background slider page using HTML and Tailwind CSS. Let's start. First, open a new empty folder in the versus code, then open new terminal and create your tailwind.config.js file and src folder. Add the paths to all of your template files in your tailwind.config.js file. Add the @Tailwind directives for each of Tailwind's layers to your input.css file. Run the CLI tool to scan your template files for classes and build your CSS. Inside the src folder, create index.html file. Add your compiled CSS file to the head of the file. Now the structure will one div. Inside the div will be the background image, the navigation icons, the left side text, and the bottom buttons. The style will be the first div will be relative position, and the nav and text div and buttons will be absolute to the parent element. the vanilla JS will be. Make array of the images you have, then get pervious and next and image elements by ID, then create slide variable. Then the next click event will be every time this button clicked, increment the slide by 1, and if the slide reaches the limit or the length of images, return the slide to 0, and the image will be the array images index of the slide. The pervious button will be every time it clicked, decrement the slide by 1, then check if the slide less than 0, return the slide to the last index of the images array, and it's done. Thanks for your watching. Please subscribe the channel, like the video and comment down below.